Hello friends, good evening. Today I would like to discuss more about trading business and especially about Continental Accounting and Anglo-Saxon Accounting. So you can consider this video as Continental Accounting versus Anglo-Saxon Accounting. Right now we are in Odoo where I have not enabled Anglo-Saxon Accounting, and I would like to take you through the configuration. So when we go to product categories, I have configured simply inventory account for stock received. Uh, Let me give a proper name, but not billed, which people recognize is here, and stock delivered, but not invoiced. So these are the two accounts we have, and then income account is local sales account, and expense account is COGS sales, which is a cost of revenue type account. And inventory valuation is automated. Okay, I have this many products. Okay, Pro 1, Pro 2 are there. So now I will make a transaction of purchase, and we can also see how exactly it impacts our trial balance. So let me make a filter of trial balance for today so we can get all the transaction for today. So we can see some of the transactions are there for today. If I see my ledger, these are already logged in transactions. And now I would like to make a purchase from the vendor. My product is Pro 1, which is of 10 rupees. I confirm the order. I go to receive. Till that, it will not impact anything over here. You can see it's all COM1, COM2 products, not Pro 1 product. As soon as I receive this product, now if I see my ledgers, we can see like inventory has been debited because I received one item Pro 1 from my order number here, and then it is creating stock received but not billed entry credited here. Okay, this is the impact. We don't have anything over here. Nothing, no entries are there, and no entries are there anywhere. Now I go to my request for quotation, that is PO. If I create a bill giving the date and confirm this, it will register my COGS here. So you can see COGS has been registered in in Continental Accounting here. So now inventory is there, stock received but not billed is there, and my creditors is there, and COGS is there with this SGST effect. Okay, nothing has been done in local sales. Okay, this is SGST receivables will be hit with this RMB2 for SGST and CGST. So this is how in Continental Accounting, Odoo is registering my cost of goods or expenses immediately as soon as I generate a bill. Now on the counterpart, I would like to create a sale of this product. The same product which I purchased to customer 2, that is Pro 1, I am planning to sell at 100 rupees. I confirm the order. If I refresh my general ledger, there is no impact till now because I haven't delivered it. So stock delivered but not billed, it has no entry. You can see COM1, COM2 are there. As soon as I hit my delivery and refresh my ledger, you can see stock delivered but not billed is here with this customer 2 and inventory has been, you can see over here it is Pro 1. So Pro 1 has been debited, and here let me refresh. So it is on 23rd. It is on 23rd. Let me change my filter from 22nd to 23rd. And now you can see the inventory for customer 2 has been credited because I have sold that stock. And then here stock delivered but not billed. You can see Pro 1 with outgoing order number 7. This is outgoing order number 7, same. And there is no other impact, nothing in debtors. Okay. COGS has already been registered. Now I am going into my sales order. I am creating my regular customer invoice and confirm it. So it will directly register my sales revenue. And if I refresh this, you can see now nothing is hit over here, but yeah, in debtors account, it will be debited against my invoice number 19. This is invoice number 19. And then my local sales account will be credited here. So this is a typical Continental accounting. And in this accounting, you can clearly see your inventory is getting settled down, but your stock received but not billed is keep opening, and stock delivered but not billed will keep it open because it is not registering any counterpart. So now, and cost of revenue or cost of goods sold is also created as soon as I register my vendor bill. So for some of the business, this can run well, but for some of the business which they want to recognize their revenue and cost of sales from customer invoice, Continental account setting will not work. So in the same video, I would also like to now enable our Anglo-Saxon accounting, and I want to show you how it is different from Continental. Okay, now it is enabled. I am again going and making a purchase of the same product from different vendor this time. So I am duplicating this and I am changing my RM vendor 1 and buying the same product at 15, or let me take 10 only. Let's not change the price. So Pro 1 I am buying. I'm going over here in accounting report in trial balance. I would like to show you inventory till now for 22nd and 23rd both. Okay, it has nothing impacted right now as I haven't received anything. Now I am going to receive this product into my stock, and then when I refresh my ledger, you can see RM vendor 1 entry is here from stock number journal entry, and then 21 is my inward. This is 21 number entry of my inward, and here it will register stock received but not billed entry in my current account for RM vendor 1, 10 rupees credited. Okay, there is no impact over here, neither it has registered any COGS. Okay, I hope we are connected till now. Now I am going to create a vendor bill giving a date of today. This will be my journal items and I confirm it. So it is going to register stock received but not billed debit against creditor. So this is one of the advantage for the businesses who don't want to recognize their cost of sales during vendor bill. So stock received but not billed, both the entry credit and debit, now you can see is settled down. And then on counterpart, you can see the RM vendor 1 vendor bill number 4 has been created. This is vendor bill number 4. Hope this makes sense to you. There is no impact on COGS till now, neither anything in local sales. Okay. Now I am going to sell the same product, that is Pro 1, to one of the customer. I am going here and I would like to sell this to customer 4. The product which I want to sell is Pro 1. Sorry, it is Pro 1. So let me make a sale of product Pro 1 at 100 rupees. Let me make it 150 so we can see some of the difference. I confirm and I am going to deliver this. So now if I revisit my ledgers, we can see inventory is credited against customer for delivery. Okay, delivery number 8, here delivery number 8, and then the counterpart stock delivered but not invoice, delivery number 8 has been debited. Okay, there is no impact over here in debtors because I haven't created any customer who was neither in cost of goods sold. Okay, now I am creating a regular invoice as I deliver the item, and this is my journal entry. As soon as I confirm, it will create local sales, means it is recognizing my sales revenue, and COGS has been registered here. Now if I go back and revisit my ledger, you can see the stock delivered but not billed account has been settled down with my invoice number 20, that is invoice number 20 customer invoice, and then it has recognized my revenue of 150 against this sale, and then COGS has been recognized by cost of goods, that is 10 rupees against this customer invoice. So I hope you guys are now very much clear how Continental Accounting and Anglo-Saxon Accounting are creating difference in your books to recognize, cost of goods or expense for your stock. Hope this video will help a lot of people to understand the basic difference between Anglo-Saxon and Continental Accounting. Thank you very much.